We guarantee your 100% satisfaction with our products. We stand by our guarantee by offering you a prompt refund or replacement of your labels. If your product does not meet your expectations, please contact us upon recognizing the error so that we can replace your labels in a timely manner.
If your labels have a manufacturing defect, please let us know right away. We will identify the problem and rerun a replacement order for you. This guarantee covers the quality of the production and materials and does not cover spelling errors that are typed in by the customer.
We want to ensure that you receive the highest level of customer service in all aspects of doing business with us. This is most important when you feel that you did not receive what you expected and when you want to be completely sure that your replacement order will be exactly what you want.
Should you have a problem with your order, please email or call CustomerCare, and our team will resolve the problem for you as quickly as possible. You will then be provided with instructions for returning your order.
I guarantee it.
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 I guarantee it.